Hello everyone and welcome to the first of many Milu's English tips and tricks. Today we will be starting off with a series of pronunciation tips. And to do that, of course, we need to start off with the basics. In English, the basics of pronunciation are sounds. So let's say something about them. As you may or may not know, English has the alphabet of 26 letters. Those letters individually or in combinations make up a total of 44 different sounds. Those 44 sounds we can divide into two separate groups, vowels and consonants. Let's say something about them and how you can make the difference. Let's start off with consonant sounds. Now, consonants are sounds in which the airflow is obstructed a little bit or completely when the sound is produced. Vowel sounds, on the other hand, don't have any kind of obstruction. To make it simpler, vowel sounds are sounds you can sing. Now, trust me on this. You don't want to hear me sing, but you can try it for yourselves. Now, to make it easier for you to understand, let's give some examples. Consonant sounds we can find as the first sounds in the following words. Banana. Now pay attention to the position of my mouth. It shows that the obstruction of the airflow is present. Okay, so to say that again, banana. Donut. Now, as we said, the vowel sounds don't have any kind of obstruction, so pay attention to these words. Apple. Ice cream. Now, you guys, all this food talks got me a little bit hungry. So hold on, I will be right back. Thank you so much for waiting and for joining me in the first of Milu's English tips and tricks. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's a little bit easier than it used to be. And I hope you'll join me for more. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned in for more Milu's English tips and tricks. See you next time. Bye.